Hello, Peter here. Today I will be showing you how you can make the dummies in Apex Legends firing range move and shoot back at you, just to practice in a more realistic format. But to activate the dummies, you will have to find an Easter egg hidden in the map of the firing range. Here's the steps. First off, change your legend to Pathfinder, for you could use his grapple to climb up obstacles that are not in reach. He'll help in the near future. Number 2 is drop all your weapons. If you don't, it will not work. Number 3 is a destination. Go to the farthest left spawn cave and this will follow to the next step. Use your grapple to reach this object that I just pinned on my screen. Number 5, crouch and then look down. Now last of all, change your legend. To make sure you did this correctly, you hear the sound. And then boom bam bob, if you did this correctly, the dummies will spawn in with a hemlock, a peacekeeper, and the spam of all, a L-star. If you liked the tutorial, then like the video. If you need any more help, comment the problem and I'll try to find a solution. If you can help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, then remember to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell, for you can never miss an upload since I post at least once a week. With that all set aside, have a great day and night. Bye bye.